In what is said to be recorded as a historic event in Manipur, probably in India, Saikom Mirabai Chanu, who opened the medal account for India at the Tokyo Olympic Games 2020 by winning silver medal in 49 kg category of women's weightlifting, was given a hero's welcome at the Bir Tikendrajit International Airport and the City Convention Center at Palace Gate today. Chief Minister N. Biren handed over checks of 1 crore rupees and 10 lakh rupees to Mirabai Chanu at a grand function organized by the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports. Biren also handed over the appointment order for the post of Additional SP Sports Manipur Police Department to Mirabai. Education Minister S. Rajan, as announced earlier, handed over a check of 3 lakh rupees to Mirabai as a mark of appreciation from the Department of Education for her achievement. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren hailed the untiring efforts of Mirabai Chanu, whose determination for winning an Olympic medal never wavered for a moment. Mirabai has brought laurels to India and Manipur and made the entire people of the state really proud, he said, and encouraged her never to give up her dream of getting gold in the Olympic Games. Biren also said, only goodness will come about for those who work really hard.
Second round, 16 bagi manung da sang grema to sanga kama even idea I read out probably wish out probably all matang logo ngam gadi hai nama extra shoot away laro pushi aduna lakadar ba putting ma participant gyal not only medalists I go honor to gani state na moi bu respect bi gani moi gi demta ko ngam contribution to gani adu sports ta pe mane puri pursues have sort of like sports policy like the Honorable Prime Minister na National Sport University amakatanga University Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ni Manipur pirini adna hosi madugi yampana koi thab chathari university level da di choina yawani jige hai bama gi wai tingi kari gi mayam se do state level ge thakta standard like wai tingi gym bumamadi state ki thakta gi linkalani hai na ina jula chakabani honaba kan mami gi panthung all the time matam bumba afahu way honaba kan ma sincere wa migi mi khudi mo ki mi khudi mo ki panthung se afaba nga ka boy hai do madu ki freedom nang kulle sana bi Mirabai na kulle koi ki saga ke magi degi bi ke do ba appointment order project sinage appointment additional SP ki appointment order ne aduga lupa crore ma ki check ne mujhe sinage adugu ngasi ki kodong sa silor kada bi hazana yamna international level ma ki standard na cha bhawada ekoi ki swag ekoi ki lekai ki stage ki mayam training to goya ba dugumba whole ma sara ma dugi by electrician ji sen da ba thanga na ma ki basa ma tu thamna ba state women so so de honorable ni hai basi me ki Mirabai Okpagi Mango Felicitation Dogui Kudong Sabsilor Kanda affiliated association say boxing mumba aduga fencing adagi weightlifting judo na single lady ba association khare sida koi sungsoi soidana sahi gi oibe plant khare da worship bi na ban pala ani ni omundo bi na ba sorry Laurugani and Matami Cabinet to talk about it or again.
A nervous Mirabai, on seeing the huge crowds and supporters and well-wishers that packed the hall of this convention center, narrated how she struggled to reach today's stage to the eager gathering. She said she had practiced real hard for the past 5 years by giving up all personal and social activities with the sole aim of winning a medal in Tokyo Olympics. She had felt really disappointed after her defeat at the Rio Olympics, but she decided to work harder, Mirabai said to the applause of the gathering.
Mirabai, मालेमसिदा पोपिरंबदगी आई ngasi mayang mamang gai lepa phangjaribani nai aigi ma amdi baba ko ai thamai sengna thagachari aina hek ahamba weightlifting masana sida hek changakpa matamda ai khong khut paidina takpi tangirakpa aigi oja mita amagi sir borgen ai busu ai khongkhut takpi paibiduna takpi tamiduna weightlifting haiba masana asibu karino haibadu masak khamanduna ai ngasidi state level amadi national international ki thakta competition amadi participate mayam ama tawba ngamjaba phangibani ana ai oja ani busu hainai laitana thagachari aduga aina national ki thakta chatnabagidamata yamna mateng pangbirakpa Manipuri Weightlifting Association ki secretary ai oja sunin busu ai kamasana sana ai mapalanda than nabagi damta tuki matik mateng pangbikhi ai gi passport saba any hiram khudimakta sana tuki matik mateng pangbikhi ai thamai sena salbusu thagat phongdokchari aduga aina ngasi Olympic amadi achaw competition kaya amada medal lawrokpa ngamjaribasi Manipur miyam na aibu nungsibiba amadi mayamna aigidamakta isoningbiba amadi mayamgi aingonda thajaba thambiba sina ai ngasidi Olympic hariba event asida ai mai paktuna silver medal India ki oina amadi Manipur ki oina ahan bo oina ai medal tawa ngamjaribani adna ai handak medal asida ai Manipur miyam khudimakta ai dedicate tawjaningi aga aina ngasi Olympic si yawnaba honarakpada ai chahi manga pura changi hai batare hai aina 2016 Rio Olympic ai ahan ba Olympic participate ne ai ngamjabni addaida adubo ai kana di hona jabne Rio Olympic se ai ahan mane adubo ai khara thugatpa pakatpa yaugibana ai Rio da ai medal loba ngamjakhide madugi matungda ai thamoi yamna sopasu fauki haidi aina kanna hotna jaraga karigidamakta ai medal loba ngamdribano haiba question mayam ama aingonda hanaki aduga mayam atai atopa mayam amasu nungaitaba comment kaya ama pirakhi adu yenguba matungda matamda aise sumana khange aise hotna bat ya ai hotna gige ko ai sumana kaya ama site gi comment la asu ai hanthabadi tawroi khallaga aduga Manipur sisu karaida lai karamba state no ana khambi daba mayam do ai soida maki no matraga no mate ai kanna honaraga Manipur gi mingse ko ana thangak ngamba oke thasi aga ai chahi manga pura aina kano tawe atopa thabat ingang yumgi maroi ba thabat mayam mai sacrifice tawraga ai chahi manga ji training se da ai focus tawraga yam na hona ki adu marakta ai awaba mayam amasu ai yauraki ai back injury khwang ya anaba su ai lady aduga aigi khut ki oiba haksang da anaba mayam mai thengnai matu mayam do ai mai thiba piramaga asidi ai Olympics da medal ama lok da ya de ana ana khoi sports minister chief minister na ai se USA da ai thabi adudagi ai ki aya kitana tawba ngamba oi aduga ai adum thuna su ai world record so aina thamma ngamba oigi aduga mayam se khambi madu training dagi ai ngasi di Rio Olympics sida ahan India gi oina silver medal sorry Tokyo sida ai medal loba ngamba ojodi bani ado ai
Earlier, Mirabai landed at the Bir Tikendrajit International Airport at 1:45 p.m., where a large number of supporters and well-wishers, along with her parents and relatives, accorded her a rousing welcome. Chief Minister N. Biren himself came to the airport and welcomed Mirabai. From the airport, Chief Minister Biren went together with Mirabai in his official car to the City Convention Center. The huge crowds shouted slogans praising Mirabai, the glory of Manipur and India.